Welcome to use the MuseLab IoT expansion board. This expansion board set consists of 5 parts, namely, the upper cover, the lower cover, support columns, panels and micro-bit connector. This kit has 5 features. Let's start with the cover. The first feature is that it is compatible with LEGO Classic and LEGO Technic pieces at the same time. All LEGO parts can be inserted directly onto this one. There are 10 hexagonal positioning holes in the bottom cover. These locating holes are compatible with screw holes for Raspberry and Arduino Uno. We can use the ordinary M3 or M2.5 hexagonal screw to mount the circuit board under the bottom cover. The circuit board can be directly inserted in the board to use. The second feature is the support column. They are LEGO standard circular columns, allowing any increase in height. In general, we can fasten the lid with 2 4-leveled heights. The third feature is the cover. Although the cover itself is a transparent cube, but it still has some points around. There are 2 baffles on the left and right sides of the lid, with no front or back. This is so designed because it is easy to add sensors in front of and behind, while on both sides we can protect the board. The fourth feature is the battery expansion board. The battery extension uses rechargeable batteries. Although these batteries have the same appearance as standard AAA battery purchased at the supermarket, standard AAA battery is not rechargeable and has only 1.5 volts, but the lithium rechargeable battery has 3.7 volts. The backplane has 3 different voltage outputs: 3.3 volts, 5 volts and 7.4 volts. The reason the board has 3 voltage outputs is because the micro-bit and most of the sensors also use 3.3 volts. But the servos and relays use 5 volts. The high-speed motor is using 7.4 volts. So in the same battery backplane, while supporting 3 voltage outputs. The other is the location of the bottom of the battery connection pins exactly at the same position and Arduino Uno. So everyone can also direct the Arduino board inserted in the panel when the power supply to use. Finally, the 5th point to talk about is the micro-bit connector. The connecting plate is divided into 2 parts, front and rear respectively. In the previous section we installed an ESP12 chip. This chip provides 3 functions. First, it provides Wi-Fi capabilities. Second, it offers 4 additional servo. Third, it provides the voltage measurement function. 5 pins and red and green buttons on the front of the board are used by the user to update the firmware in ESP12. Then the rubber between the 2 servo interfaces is used to prevent the user from accidentally turning the micro-bit over the edge connector. There is an OLED display behind the edge connector. The resolution of this display is 32 by 128. It can simultaneously display 4 rows of English characters or 4 rows of numbers. There are 4 sensor ports on the back of the display. This is where the 4 sensor ports correspond to micro-bits P0, P1, P2 and P12. While P0, P1, P2 can do output-input, P12 can do output but cannot do input. These 4 connectors are also 3.3 volt power supply. In summary, the MuseLab IoT Wi-Fi Shield is very flexible and has many benefits. For example, 1. It works well both with simple static and dynamic models using plastic blocks. 2. Is environmental friendly by using rechargeable energy and getting access to more peripherals that may have different power requirements. 3. The Muse brick housing is smart, safe and most importantly, it is changeable. It fits perfectly with any combination other popular shields that MuseLab IoT Wi-Fi Shield may used. 4. Any common sensors with either 3 pins or 4 pins could also be used easily with simple DuPont wire connection. 5. Basic kinetic robot models with up to 2 wheels and 4 arms or legs can be built in minutes. 6. With Wi-Fi connectivity, additional programming platforms such as Scratch 2 and 3, Snap, App Inventor, Cisco Packet Tracer, ThinkSpeak and IFTTT are just a few clicks away, thus giving students a wide variety of ideas and projects to explore. Thank you for watching our video. If you need more information, please visit our website at www.muselab.cc.